Okay, so here I am. I am in the process of changing out. Well, I'm having a what I regard as a hub problem. I'm having the notorious rumble while driving at high speeds, and as I go faster, um, I can hear the sound in both sides of the car. Well, it's louder on the right side than on the left. My conclusion is that it's not the tires. I've inspected the tires and confirmed that it's not the tires that are wearing, rather badly. And so it's more likely to be the hub or the bearing inside the hub. Now, the challenge that I came upon with this 2010 Ford Focus is removing the knuckle from the control arm. That's the ball joint that's right in here. This dude presented a significant challenge, and I decided, you know what, I found it much easier to take off the control arm completely. That's dismantling the control arm completely from the cross member. Yeah, as a DIYer, I've dismantled it. I found it so much easier than to try to pry this guy off because he's presenting such a challenge. All right, now clearly this control arm is nice and rusted out. I went to the junkyard and I found this guy. Relatively, looks relatively good compared, etc. So just wanted to share this little video clip to show you, if you're having a challenge removing the knuckle, that's this bad boy right down here. You may want to just remove the entire control arm. It costs just a few more pennies to get the control arm with the knuckle, and I just took it off another Ford Focus, so I just pretty much did that as my workaround there. So there you have it. So I'm just gonna pop that knuckle, that entire set back on. I'm just putting it on as is. Of course, I checked it to see that it's pretty much good, should be good enough for the process. Now, one point to note: be careful if you're removing the ABS sensor. They tend to snap off. This one snapped off. I had to knock it out. I have a replacement which I'll put in shortly. But just wanted to share this quick clip with you. Of course, you had to take off all of that and pop that out. Relatively easy. Yeah, that was my workaround as opposed to trying to fight that off while on the car. It's snow and ice everywhere. My hands are freezing right now. To be honest, I'm gonna just go right back at work. I'll show the finished product to you when I'm done. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.